LifeSmart Smart Station, Installation and Configuration Guide. Before installation, please prepare a Wi-Fi router with internet and an Ethernet cable. First, power on the smart station. Then plug in the Ethernet cable. Connect the other end to the router's LAN port. Once properly connected, the indicator light will turn on and begin flashing. After flashing for a few seconds, it will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Please note, during normal operation, the indicator light remains solid, with occasional quick triple flashes. If it keeps flashing rapidly, stays off, or the network port lights show no response, it indicates an abnormal status. Please unplug and restart the device. Now you can configure the app. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi as the smart station. Open the LifeSmart app and log in. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Select Add Device. Under the Smart Station category, select Smart Station. Choose Search Recommended. Wait for the search to complete. Then select the corresponding device IP. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose whether to add to the Home app. Wait for the smart station to connect automatically. Once the device icon turns from gray to active, the connection is successful. Enjoy your smart life with LifeSmart.